Hello kids, how's it going? How you doing so far? Hope you're doing good. Okay, in this video we're going to talk a little bit about different traditional breakfasts around the world. Okay, so pay attention so you can have an idea what you're going to do in your English book on page 147 and 148. Okay, let's see. Breakfast, this is the breakfast you eat in the morning, breakfast. Okay, and let me see around the world. We're going to speak a little bit about breakfast, English breakfast or American breakfast, we can call like this. It is a big meal. It includes sausage, eggs, tomatoes. Some people have milk and cereals. They like toast, pancakes, jam, or honey. They drink orange juice and coffee. That is for English breakfast. Continental breakfast. So take a look. It is a light breakfast. It includes various types of coffee, teas, juice, fruits, and all kinds of pastries. Okay, so maybe what is your breakfast? And French breakfast. French breakfast includes bread with ham or butter and sometimes croissants. They drink a cup of black coffee or hot chocolate. Children eat cereals. Okay, Hawaiian breakfast. It includes eggs, meat, hamburger or sausage, and rice. They eat typical fruits, for example, papayas. They drink papayas or orange juice. Okay, so let's see some a list of vocabulary that you use in your breakfast. Let's see, oil, you use oils, and sugar, honey, orange juice, ham, butter, toast, coffee, milk, cereals, biscuits, cookies, and bread. Okay, so this is one of the list. So please repeat this one: oil, sugar, honey, orange juice, jam, butter, toast, coffee, milk, cereals, biscuits, coffees, and bread. And and today we're going to learn. Okay, also you need to go and do those activities on page 148 of your English book. What do you want for breakfast? We're going to explain a little bit about the verb want. Okay, we use wants, the verb wants, to talk about wishes or needs, and to give an advice. Most uses of wants involve the simple forms of the verb want and wants. Remember, wants and wants when you talk about her and him and it. Remember to add the s of the verb wants. Okay, you said she wants, he wants, it wants. And then for the rest of the people, you say you want, they want, I want, we want. Okay, so once we use it only for her, for him, and it. When we are talking about wishes or desires, okay, take a look this one. I want to read. I want to read a book. Maybe to see this picture right here. I want to use my cell phone to watch a video, YouTube video. Uh, I want my breakfast in my bedroom. I want to say goodbye. Use your imagination. You can use want. Use imagination in this picture and then think about more sentences. Okay. Okay. So let's see more examples of using want. I want to know. He said, I want to know everything I want. Okay. I want to play with it. I want to play with my Nintendo. I want to play with my computer. I want to play with my skateboard. No, he doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. No, he doesn't want it. We use this auxiliary for him when negative. No, he does not want it. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that for breakfast. That's all I want to know. That's all I want to know. Maybe you want to know only the specific things and you say, that's all I want to know for today. People wants to be free. So always people wants to be free. People wants to be free. We talk about they or people. What do you want of him? What do you want of him? What do you want of him? Do you want some more tea or some more to eat? Some more to eat? Do you want some more to eat? So that's the question. See, do you want? He does not know what he wants. He does not know what he wants. Okay. I want to see my family. So that's I want. I wish to see my family. I want to see my family. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. So, okay, so that's once. Okay, so right now I need you to go in your English book on page 151, English book. See, take a look at this one. And we're going to learn a little bit about activities that shows good hygiene habits and bad hygiene habits, okay? Good hygiene habits include washing the body often if it's possible. Everybody should have a shower or have a bath every day. And bad habits, not washing hands, not showering or skipping showering, not washing hair, not washing their teeth. So okay, take a look at this one. Taking a bath daily, so that is a good hygiene habits. And then take a look at these pictures. So this is good, okay? This is good. And good habits. This is good. But this one it's bad habits, okay? Don't do this. Don't eat like this too. Okay, that's bad hygiene habits, okay? Okay, so let's see some more. Personal hygiene, see? Take a bath or shower every day. You need to take a shower every day. So, okay, please do that. Brush your teeth every morning. Every time when you eat something, brush your teeth. Comb your hair. You need to comb your hair, okay? Put on clean clothes every morning. Wash your hands often. Wash your hands often. More on this time with this pandemic. Okay, wash your hands every day, every time. Okay, wash your hands several times a day. Okay, brush and floss your teeth before going to bed. See, you need to floss your teeth. Okay, and brush every night. Okay, so let's see some more. Okay, you see this here? Oral hygienes, bathroom rituals, okay, in hair care, food hygienes, hygiene, hand hygienes, coughing and sneezing hygiene, coughing and sneezing, home hygiene. See, you need to organize that one, and it's part of the good habits, okay. And let's see, those are bad habits, okay. Don't do your homework without you cleaning your hands. You need to keep your hands clean, and then don't do this, okay. You need to wash your hands every time when you touch something. Okay, don't do this. If you don't brush your teeth, you're gonna do like this. Oh my god, that smells bad. Okay, take a look at this man, these two men right here, and this one too. You need to use deodorant, okay, and wash your hands. Like this boy, he needs to wash his hands. Okay, so change your bad habits. Bad habits, kids need to stop. Okay, so bad habits, no good, no good bad habits. Okay, let's watch, please, a short video about a good habit.
Keep our body clean for good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and makes us feel fresh. Now let's see some good habits for the body. 1. Do not oversleep. Get up early in the morning. 2. Go to the toilet. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands and feet with soap. Splash cool water on your eyes. Remove the dirt from the corner of your eye. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. 4. Take a bath every day with soap and water. At least once a week. 5. Use a clean towel to wipe your body and hair dry. Comb your hair neatly. 6. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. See to it that your clothes do not get dirty. Always carry a clean handkerchief. 7. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails, as the dirt collected below the nails will enter your stomach. Then you will fall ill. Nails should be cut at least once a week. 8. Clean your ears only with a cotton bud. Do not use any sharp, pointed objects like matchsticks or hairpins to clean your ears. I hope you don't do that. No? Very good.
Alright kids, so do change your bad habits, okay? I repeat this to you, so I hope this video will help you to do those activities in your English book, please. And then take a look at this video, and good luck kids, and God bless you, and see you next on the next video. Goodbye.